Jai Hind students, I am going to explain module 6 of chapter 4, log on to animate CC. In this module you will learn how to modify a linear gradient, as you have filled the linear gradient set in the trunk. Similarly, fill the linear gradient color in the top of the tree. Let's know modifying the linear gradient field in the tree shape by using gradient transformation tool. Okay children? First you need to click on the small triangle on the bottom right corner of the free transformation tool and select the gradient transformation tool from the tool panel. Click on the object filled with gradient color in it. Now the gradient selection shape will appear as shown in the figure. Changing the center of the gradient. The center point of the gradient is the place where all the mixing color are present in equal proportion. To change the center of the gradient, use the following steps. First, bring the pointer over the center point. Now drag the center point in a desired direction to change its position and observe the change. Okay? Changing the width of the gradient. To change the width of the gradient filled inside the shape, follow the steps given below. Position the pointer over the width adjustment handle. It will change to a double-handed arrow. Drag the adjustment handle either to the left or right to increase or decrease the gradient width. Now your next topic is rotation the gradient field. Okay? To rotate the gradient color field inside a shape, follow these steps. Position the pointer over the rotation handle. The pointer shape changes to okay. Now drag the rotation handle clockwise or anti-clockwise according to the need and observe the change. Now your next topic is modifying a radial gradient. How do you modify a radial gradient? Likewise, you can modify a radial gradient color field inside the tree. Let us modify the gradient field in the shape by using the gradient transformation tool. For that, you need to select the gradient transformation tool in the tool panel and click on the object. Now, the bounding shape will appear as shown in the figure. Adjust the gradient as required. Okay. center of the gradient, you can drag the center point to change the starting point of color mixing of the gradient. Next, rotation handle. You can drag the rotation handle clockwise or anti-clockwise to rotate the gradient as required. Width adjustment handle. You can drag the width adjustment handle to increase or decrease the gradient width. Now next, radius adjustment handle. Can drag the radius adjustment handle to alter the gradient size proportionally. Editing object. How do you edit the object in Animate CC? Let's understand that. To edit an object, first select it, otherwise the command will not be applied. Okay. Now click on the selection tool. Click and drag the selection box around the object and release the mouse button, or double click on the object to select both stroke and feel. How to transforming the shape? Let's understand that. Using the free transformation tool, we can scale, rotate, compress, stretch or skew lines and shapes. To compress the drawing, follow these steps. Draw a hexagon using the Polystar tool. Select the free transformation tool in the tools panel. Double click on the hexagon on the stage to select both stroke and feel. A bounding box appears around the object. Now drag the handle on the top center of the box down to shrink the hexagon. Let's understand how to scale an object. Select the free transformation tool from the tool panel and double click on the object. To scale the object in both the horizontal or vertical direction, drag one of its corner handles. To scale the object horizontally, drag the horizontal center handle. Likewise, to scale the object vertically, drag the vertical center handle. Click outside the object to end the transformation. Okay? Okay children, that's enough for today. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye children.